Our lungs are silently working heroes, keeping us alive and healthy. They supply oxygen to every cell and remove waste carbon dioxide, impacting energy levels, physical performance, and the immune system. Smoking, air pollution, occupational hazards, infections, and genetics can threaten lung health. By understanding the importance of lung health, you can take proactive steps to breathe easier and live a healthier life. Healthy lungs are essential for optimal oxygen supply, a stronger immune system, and improved overall well-being. Dietary changes for lung health. Limit processed meats, excessive salt, dairy products, sugary drinks, and fried foods. Embrace fruits, vegetables, fatty fish, whole grains, cruciferous vegetables, and foods rich in vitamin C for optimal lung health. Hydration. Proper hydration helps thin mucus, prevents irritation, and keeps your airways functioning smoothly. Include water, herbal teas, warm lemon water, and broth-based soups. Incorporating exercise. Regular physical activity strengthens your respiratory system, improves oxygen intake, and helps clear toxins from your lungs. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week. 4. Breathing techniques. Pursed lip breathing and diaphragmatic breathing are simple techniques that can improve lung function and promote respiratory health. Visit www.occare.com for more details.